If your home feels a little off, but you can't seem to figure out why, it's probably one of these design mistakes. The good news is, these are very easy to fix and they can instantly elevate your space. Guys, let's get into today's video.
Give me you, everything else can wait. Give me you.
One of the fastest ways to make a home feel flat and uninvited is relying only on overhead lighting. It creates a harsh shadow and doesn't give a space any depth. Instead, layer your lighting. Add your table lamps, floor lamps, even wall sconces if possible. These create warmth, dimension, and that soft, elevated glow you see in designer spaces. Here's a designer tip. Always aim for at least 3 light sources in your room. Hanging your curtains right above the window frame will instantly make your ceilings feel shorter. It visually shrinks the entire room. Instead, hang your curtains higher, closer to the ceiling, and extend them wider than the window. It draws the eyes up and makes your space feel taller and more custom. A rug that's too small will make your entire room feel disconnected. It's one of the most common mistakes. Your rug should anchor your furniture, not flatten underneath just the coffee table. At minimum, your front furniture legs should sit on the rug. When everything in the room matches perfectly, it can actually feel less expensive, not more expensive. It lacks personality and dimension. Instead, mix materials and styles. Think wood with metal, soft upholstery with structural pieces. That contrast is what creates a curated designer look. Too many items on your countertop. This instantly read as clutter. Even if they're useful, it overwhelms the space visually. Instead, edit it down and group items intentionally. Use trays or small groupings to make everyday items feel styled and not scattered. Small generic artwork or pieces that are too high or too low can make your space feel unfinished. Scale matters more than people think. Go larger when you can, or create a cohesive gallery wall with intention. And framing makes a huge difference. Don't skip it. Nothing disrupts a beautiful space faster than visual cords. They instantly take away from a clean, elevated look. Use cords covers, conceal them behind furniture, or organize them neatly, or even hide them behind a tall vase. It's the small detail, but it makes a big impact. You don't have to redo your entire home to make it feel more elevated. Start with just one of these changes and you'll immediately feel the difference. And if you're following this series, next week we're getting into the small details most people overlook. Family, thank you for watching today's video and I hope you guys learned something from it. And I will see you guys on my next one.
I just want to thank you, Lord. You've been so good. You've been so good. You've been so good. Good. I just want to thank you, Lord. I want to say thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Always remember, never let your budget dictate your style, but create a space that you love. Design for life.